Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. Who is your favorite celebrity in your country?
My favorite celebrity in my country is scholar or Dini scholar Maulana Tariq Jamil. Maulana
Okay,
Tariq,
religious scholar.
religious scholar Maulana Tariq Jamil, because he's a very I think he's a very motivated speaker. Uh, he's
He's a very good motivational speaker.
he's a very good motivational speaker, and he taught us too much about.
He teaches us too much about the religion.
He teaches us about too much
Okay,
about
so
the
try to
religious.
coordinate all your ideas and transform them into one sentence. Okay, now let's go on. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Uh, I don't like too much foreign celebrity. I like our national celebrity too much, like our religious celebrity.
Okay, this answer is short. You need to add some more. And you're repeating the same ideas again into the next question. Don't drag previous answer into the next question. Would you like to become a celebrity in the future?
I think it is a very difficult to become a
Celebrity.
celebrity in our country. We need a lot of confidence and lot of education. So I think it is a difficult for me to become a
Okay.
celebrity.
Is it difficult to become famous these days?
No, I think it is a social media era. Every person could be a famous if he upload his videos
If he uploads his video.
or pictures on TikTok or use social media on the every day. So I think it is not difficult to become a famous
Okay,
nowadays.
that's good. So it's a little hesitation. Try to overcome that
Okay.
and practice all these topics.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Now let's go on. It's your turn. Do you prefer to spend time indoors or outdoors?
Usually it depends on my days. Usually I spend my free time with my family in home, but oftenly I go with my friends for outing in parks or some restaurants.
Okay. What do you usually do in your spare time?
I usually spend time in reading books and watching movies and some playing games with my nephews.
Okay, this answer is not complete and sentence structure is not correct. Right? Spend some time with my nephew. Say, first of all, in my free time, I prefer to read books as book reading is my hobby and this has been my hobby since my childhood. Secondly, I have a cute nephew. So whenever I've got some free time, I sometimes take him out or I talk to him and spend time with him. And finally, if I have most free time, then I listen to music. Make proper sentences, okay? Now let's go on. What outdoor activity do you like the most?
I like most. I playing cricket. I like
Yeah,
most.
I love to play cricket.
I love to play cricket most. Uh, Cricket is my hobby since my childhood, and I am best batsman in cricket.
Okay. All right, this answer is not concluded properly. So try to conclude your answer in the end. Would you like to try any outdoor activity in the future?
Yes, I would try different
Yeah,
activities.
I would like to try different activities, but now you will talk about one. Would you like to try any outdoor activity in the future?
Yes, I would try activities, uh, drifting.
Mhm.
That is my favorite hobby.
Okay, so you need to talk about it clearly, try to speak a little more, and practice these topics so that there is some content that you have, right?
Okay.
Thank you so much.